Certainly, effective communication is crucial in both personal and professional contexts. Here are some tips to help you improve your communication skills. 1. Be clear and concise. Express your thoughts and ideas in a clear and straightforward manner. Avoid using jargon or overly complex language that could confuse your audience. 2. Active listening. Pay attention to the person speaking, and show that you're engaged by nodding, maintaining eye contact, and providing verbal cues like, "I understand," or "Go on." This not only helps you understand better but also encourages the speaker to communicate more effectively. 3. Empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes to understand their perspective and feelings. This helps in building rapport and trust, especially in sensitive or emotional conversations. 4. Body language. Your nonverbal cues are just as important as your words. Maintain open and inviting body language to show you are attentive and approachable. 5. Feedback. Give and receive feedback constructively. When giving feedback, focus on specific behaviors or actions rather than making it personal. When receiving feedback, listen attentively and consider the input. 6. Stay focused. Stick to the topic at hand and avoid going off on tangents. This helps maintain clarity and keeps the conversation on track. 7. Use visual aids. When appropriate, use visual aids like graphs, charts, or images to help illustrate your points and make complex information easier to understand. 8. Adapt to your audience. Tailor your communication style to match the needs and preferences of your audience. Communication with colleagues might differ from communication with friends or clients. 9. Ask open-ended questions. Encourage deeper conversations by asking questions that can't be answered with a simple yes or no. This fosters discussion and allows for more meaningful exchanges. 10. Practice empathetic inquiry. Instead of assuming you understand someone's perspective, ask them open-ended questions to clarify their thoughts and feelings. This shows genuine interest and promotes a deeper connection. 11. Avoid interruptions. Allow others to finish their thoughts before responding. Interrupting can disrupt the flow of conversation and make the other person feel unheard. 12. Manage emotions. If a conversation becomes heated or emotional, take a step back, breathe, and remain calm. Emotional reactions can cloud effective communication. 13. Use positive language. Frame your words positively, focusing on what can be done rather than what can't. This fosters a solution-oriented mindset. 14. Practice mindful speaking. Think before you speak. This prevents misunderstandings and helps you articulate your thoughts more clearly. 15. Be respectful. Treat others with respect and consideration, even if you disagree. Healthy communication maintains a level of professionalism and courtesy. 16. Practice. Like any skill, communication improves with practice. Engage in conversations regularly to refine your abilities. 17. Learn from feedback. If you receive feedback about your communication style, use it as an opportunity for growth rather than becoming defensive. Remember that effective communication is a two-way street. It's not only about how well you express yourself but also about how well you listen and understand others. By consistently practicing and refining these skills, you can become a more effective and impactful communicator.